Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Oppo Pad 4 Pro and Xiaomi Pad 7. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Oppo Pad Pro comes with 13.2 inches IPS LCD display, and the Xiaomi Pad 7 comes with 11.2 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.